how to allow or deny apps permission to access notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down the top. Then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, now we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down, then tap on permission manager. In here, scroll down and then tap on notifications. Next, we scroll down and then tap on the toggle button on the app to turn on or to allow or deny access to notifications. And that's it. So we tap on notifications and then just scroll down the list and tap on the app that you want to access, to grant access or deny permission. And finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.